So 2 days ago when I finished week 1 of this block, I wasn't feeling great, surprised at what I did. And 2 days off now, starting week 2, again surprised. Coughing a little bit still. My lungs are still, my bronchioles feel like they're scratchy. But my strength is still there. It's really weird. I am so grateful that this virus isn't pounding me down to the ground, that I can actually train through it. Wonderful. All right, enough of that. We worked up to 200 for a set of 5. I even pause buried the last one just to be sure that my depth was good. And I'm happy with that. That's great. And I didn't cough my guts out at the end, even better. Still sound hoarse, but I feel pretty good. And narrow bench, geez, this went pretty good too. I also worked up to 200 for 4. So yay, this is turning out to be a decent recovery block. That week off helps for sure between blocks. I usually only can go after 4 or 5 weeks. I start to feel like I'm beat up pretty bad. So I think I might check myself after 4 weeks of this block. Maybe do a deload. We'll see. And moving on to block pulls. I, for some reason, forgot to change shoes, so I'm actually doing this in elevated squat shoes. And I didn't notice, which is great, because it should be harder, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it would be harder, because you're actually at a deficit, you're reaching down more. But anyhow, went great. Worked up to 230 for 7 at about RPE 8. So right on track for the program's asking for. Give or take 10-20 pounds each way. I'm in the zone, liking it. Added my accessory, did rows today, 3 sets of 10, and take a day off and enjoy getting back to work in the sunshine. No snow here. Grass is green in the backyard. I'm liking it. Hope winter stays like this. It wouldn't bother me a bit. And that's it for today. 42 minutes of cardio. Not too shabby.